Hello student, today I am going to take maths class 4, chapter number 7, division. We know that division is the repeated subtraction of a number. So how division is a subtraction of a number, I shall discuss with an example. Suppose 6 divide 2 equal to 3. If we subtract 2 from 6, then we get 4. Once again from 4, we subtract 2, then we get 2. From 2, if we subtract 2, then we get 0. Then how many times we subtract here? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. That means the answer is 3. Okay. Next, number divide 1 equal to same number. Number divide 1 equal to same number. That means if we divide any number by 1, then the answer will be same. Suppose 5 divide 1 equal to 5. Number divide same number equal to 1. Next, if we divide, suppose 7 divide 7, the answer is 1. Next, number sorry 0 divide number equal to 0. Suppose 0 divide 6, the result will be 0. Okay. Now we solve exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. Question number 1, fill in. A 52 divide 1, we know if any number divide by 1, then we get same number, then it is 52. Number B, 38 divide dash equal to 38. So here 38, here also 38, so we divide by 1, then it is the answer is 38. Next, question number C. Dash divide 1 equal to 200 270. Obviously we know it is 270. D 45 divide 45 is equal to 1. Zero divide 74 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, question number 5. Divide. Number A 99 divide 11. So we divide 99. So we know table number 11. 11 9 jar 99. 11 9 jar 99. So here remainder is 0. So we can write quotient equal to 9, remainder equal to 0. Next, question number B, 72 divide 12. So 12, here we write 72. So this one is called divisor and this one is dividend. We know the table number 12. So 12 6 jar 72. Remainder there also 0. Q equal to 6 and remainder equal to 0. Now we solve next question. Next example question number D. 0.107 divided by 15. So 15 107. Here also we know the table number 15. 15 7 jar 105. 15 7 jar 105. Here we do minus, then got 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, then 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That means remainder is 2. So Q equal to 7, R equal to 2. Next question number 6B. 182 divide 12. Here 12 182. So their divisor is 2 digit. So we take first 2 digit here. Here 2 digit if we take, then we get 18. So we know 12 1 jar 12 minus, then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 0 minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. we take down 2. Now there is 62. We know 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. There remain 2 as a remainder. So here Q equal to 15 and R remainder equal to 2. Next example, 6. Question number 6D. $3,348 divide 15. $3,348. Here divisor is 2 digit. We take 2 digit here also. Then we get 33. So we know 15 2s are 30. Then 3 minus 0 equal to 0 or 3, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Then we take down 4. Here 34. So again 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Remain 4. Take down 8. 48. So we know that 15 3s are 45. Here remain 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Remainder is 3. Q equal to 223. Remainder R equal to 3. Next, question number 7A. 308 divide 22. 308 divided by 22. So 22 308. Here 22 is 2 digit, and we take there also 2 digit, then there is 30. So we know 22 1s are 22 minus 10 minus there 0 minus 2 cannot, then carry 1, then there is what? It is 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Take down 8. 88. So here 22, we know 22 4s are 88. So there remain 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient equal to 14. Remainder equal to 0. Next, question number 7D. 7D. 966 divide 46. 966 46. So here 2 digit, divisor is 2 digit, so there also we take 2 digit, then it is 96. 96, 46, 2 jar 46, 2 jar 92. So you take out like this, 46 into 2. 2 6 jar 12 to 1 in my hand. 2 4 jar 8 1 9. That means 92. 92 with 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 9 minus 9 0. We take down 6. Then 46. 46 1 jar 46. Remainder 0. So Q is equal to 21 and remainder equal to R equal to 0. Next question. Question number 8A. 3432 divide 26. Here 26. 3432. So there 26 is 2 digit. We take there also 2 digit, then it is 34. 34. So we know 26 1 jar in 34. 26 2 times not go because it is more it will be more than 34. So 26 1 jar 26. 4 minus 6 cannot, we borrow 1, then there is 14. 14 minus 6 equal to 8. There remain 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and take down 3. Take down 3. Now it is 83. In 83, 26 how many times go? We check 3 times. 3 6 jar 18 8, 1 in my hand, 3 2 jar 6 and 1 7. Yes, it is 3 times. 3 times, then it is 78. We do minus, then 3 minus 8 cannot, then borrow 1 from 8, then there is 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now we take down 2, 52. So we know that 26 1 jar 26 and 26 2 times equal to 52. 26 2 times equal to 52. 12 2 1 in my hand, 4 1 5, 52. So 2 times 52. Remainder is 0. Quotient equal to 132 and R remainder equal to 0. Next question number 8. Question number 8. B. 8001 divide 63. We divide here 8001 63. So here 2 digit, there also we take 2 digit. So 63 we divide and there is 80. We know 63 1s are 63. There remain carry borrow 1, then there is 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Here remains 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 is equal to 1. So take down 0. 170. 170. Now how many times go? We check 63 2 times. 6, 12. Yes, 126. That means 2 times, then 126. We do minus, then we get 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to also 4. Now we take down 1. 441. 400. Now we see 63. How many times go? First 6 times. 6 3s are 18, 8. 1 in my hand. 6 6 are 36. 1 37. It is less than what? 441. So we try with 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 2 in my hand. 7 6s are 42. 40 and 2 in my hand 44. Yes, it is 3 times. 7 times. 63 7 times is equal to 401. Remainder is 0. So Q equal to 127. Remainder equal to R equal to 0. Next, see question number 8. C 6293 divide by 31. So we divide here 31 6293. So we know that 31 2s are 62. 31 2s are 62. There remain 0 and we take down 9, but we cannot divide 9 by 31, so we take down another digit. At a time, if we take down 2 digits, then here we give 1 0. That means then we take down 3. Now 93. 31 3s are 31 3s are 93. Yes, 31 3s are 93. Remainder 0. Q equal to 203. R equal to 0. Next question. Question number 9A. Question number 9A. 23,374 divide 29. Divide 29. So here 29 23,374. So here 2 digit If you take there also 2 digit, then it is less than 29, we can't divide, so we take 3 digit. Then there is 233. So we try how many, 22, how many times we can. So 29, 8 jar. 8 9 jar 72. 8 9 jar 72. 2 7 in my hand. 2 8 jar 18. 18 plus 7 25. So it is more than 233. Let's we try with 7. 7 9 jar 63. 63 is 3. 6 in my hand. 7 2 jar 14. 14 plus 2 20. So 7 also it is less. Once again we try 8 times. 8 9 jar 72. 72 is 2. 7 in my hand. 8 2 jar 16 plus 7 23. Yes, 132. It is 8 times. Then 232. Remain 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we take down 7, but there 17. Divisor is 29, so we can't. We take down 1, but rule is if at a time 2 times 2 numbers we take down, then here 1 0. So it is we take down 4. Now 174. Now we try 29. How many times goes? So it is 5 times. 9 5 jar 45. 5. 4 in my hand. 10 4 14. 145. Let's try 6. 6 times. 7 9 jar 6 9 jar 54. 4. 5 in my hand. 6 2 jar 12. 17. Yes, it is 6 times. Then it is 174. So there is also no remainder. So here Q equal to 806 and remainder 0. Next, question number 11. Question number 11A. Divide and check the answer. Divide and check the answers. So here 80 divide 15. 80 divide 15. First we divide, then check the answer also. Now 15 80. So we know table number 15. 15 5 jar 75. 15 5 jar 75. Here remain 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. There remains 7. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So there remain 5. We know it is q equal to 5. Remainder equal to also 5. Now we check. Formula we know, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor equal to 15 into quotient equal to 5 plus remainder equal to 5. Now 15 5 jar 75 plus 5. Now 75 plus 5 is equal to 80. So here dividend equal to 80. So there also we get 80. Your answer is correct. It is checked. Next, we solve exercise 7b. Exercise 7b. Question number 1. Write the quotient and the remainder. So first question number A, 63 divide 10. Q equal to dash, R equal to dash. Question number B, 87 equal to 10, Q dash, R dash. Next, question number C, 192 divide 10, Q dash, R equal to dash. Next, question number G, 512 divide 100, Q dash, R dash. Next, K, 2345 divide 1000 equal to Q dash, R dash. Now we solve this thing. Here 63 divided by 10. So quotient we get we take out quotient and remainder. We know it is 10. So we in 63 10 how many times goes? 10 times. So it is 6 times. So Q equal to 6 and 6 times, then 6 10 just 60 remain 3. So 3 is a remainder. Here like same 87. 10 8 times go, then it is 80 and remainder is 7. Next here 10 if go, Then 192. 192, how many tens are there? It is 19 tens. That means 10 19s are 190. 10 19s are 190 and remainder is 2. Next, 512 divide by 100. So in 100 place it is 5, that means there is 500. 100 how many times goes? 5 times go. So it is 5 and remainder 500 jar 500 and remainder 12. Next, 2345 divide 1000. So here how many thousands are there? 2000. So 100 how many times go? 1000 2 times. How many times go? 2 times. So it is 2 and remainder is what? How much remain? 345. So here 345 is remainder. Next question number 2. Fill in A 80 divide 20 equal to dash B 150 divide 30 equal to dash. Next, C 48 480 divide 40 equal to dash D 1500 divide 50 equal to dash. Next, E 1200 divide 200 is equal to dash. Now we solve. So here 80 divide 20. So if we leave here also 0, there here also 0. So we leave this 0 and 0. Then what remains there? 8 and there is 2. 2 4s are 8. So answer is 4. They are also same. 3 5s are 15. They are also same. So 12 4 12s are 48 and 1010 there. Here also same. 1010 we cut. There remain 150 and there remain 5. Then 5 how many times go? 5 3s are 15 and 10 30. Here 20, here also 20. If you cut here 20 and 20, if we cut, then there remains 12 and there 2 12. 2 6s are 12. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. 3C 607 divide 102. So 102 607. So 102, they are also 3 digit, they are 3 digit. So we do divide. 102 we try here. if it is 6 jar, then it is more 5 jar. If 5 times, then 2 5 jar, 10 tens 0, 1 in my hand, 5 0 jar, 0 1 in my hand, 1, and 5 1 jar 5, 510. It is 5 jar, then it is 510. So now do minus 7, and there 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So Q equal to 5 and R equal to 97. Next question number E. 975 divide 182. So 182 is divisor and 975 divided. So we try that 182 how many times go? 182 we try 5 times. 5 0 jar 0, sorry, 5 2 jar 10, tens 0, 1 in my hand, 5 8 jar 41, 41 1, 4 in my hand, and 5 1 jar 5 plus 4 9, 910. Yes, it is 5 times. So 185 to 5 jar 910. There remain 5. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So remainder is 65. Quotient equal to Q equal to 5, remainder equal to 65. Next, question number 4A. 1375 divide 125. Let's divide 125 1375. So they are 3 digit. If we take their 3 digit, then 137. 137 and there 125. It is obviously one time go 125. There remain 2 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Take down 5, 125. So there also 125 one times go, then 125. Remainder 0. Q equal to 11, R equal to 0. Next, 4D. 7,488 divide 312. 312, 1,888. Now we try. Yes, correct. So here 312 3 digit, and there also we take 3 digit. Then it is what? How many times go? We try 2 times, then it is 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 jar 2, 3 2 ja 6, 624. Yes, it is 2 times go, then 624. There 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 2 minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now take down 8. Now here 248. Now we try 3 times or 4 times. 312. 4 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 4 1 jar 4, and 4 3 jar 12. Yet it is exactly this one. Then it is 4 times. So 1 2 4 8. No remainder. Remainder is 0. Here Q equal to 24, remainder equal to R equal to 0. Next, question number 6A. 872 divide 218. Two hundred 18, 872. Now we see 218. How many times go? We try here. 218. 4 times we see, then 4. 4 8 jar 32. 32's 2. 3 in my hand. 4 1 jar 4 plus 3 7, and 4 2 jar 8. Yes, exact it is 4 times, then 872. Remainder 0. Question Q equal to 4, remainder are equal to 0. Next, 6E. 624 divide 156. 156. 624 156. So let's try. How many times go? 5 times. No, 4 times. First try. 156 into 4. 4 6 4 6 are 24. 4 2 in my hand. 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 22 2 again 2 in my hand. 4 1 ja 4, 2 6. 624. 4 jar. So here also remainder equal to 0. So we can write here Q equal to 4, remainder equal to r equal to 0. Now we solve word sums. Exercise 7C. Sums. First question. Shan's mother spends 480 minutes at her clinic. How many hours does she spend at her clinic? How many hours does she spend at her clinic? So question number 1. She spends 480 minutes So if she spent 480 minutes at her clinic, then we take out how many hours. We find out how many hours she spent. So here from minutes we change what? Minute to hours. So we know 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. 480 minute equal to 480 by 60 hours. 1010 we cut. 6 1s are 6 and 6 8s are 48. So answer is 48 hours. So we can write, therefore she 8 hours in her clinic. Next question. 3,527 party cups were to be packed in boxes. If 64 cups were packed in each box, how many boxes are used and how many cups were left over? Question number 4. Number of cups equal to numbers of cups equal to 3,527. Number of cups in each box equal to 64. So we take out how many boxes were used and how many cups were left over. So therefore total number of boxes equal to 3527 divide 64. We do divide, here we do divide 64 divide 3527. So 64, there if two digits, then 35, we take one more digit, then it is 352. 64 how many times go? We try 64 5 jar, 64 5. 5 4 jar 20 0, 2 in my hand, 5, 6 jar 30, 32. So here 320, yes, it is 5 times, then 320. There remain 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0, we take down 7, then 100 or 327, here 64, 5 jar 320 and there 327, so once again it is 5 times, then 320, so remain 7. Therefore 55 boxes were used and 7 cups left. Yes, 55 boxes were used and 7 cups left. Next question number. Next question. For a function, rupees 250 was collected for each flat of a complex. The total money collected was rupees 78,000. How many flats are there in the complex? Question number 7. Total collection was 70, or total collection equal to rupees 78,000. Each flat gave rupees 250. Now we take out how many flats are there in the complex. Therefore, number of flats in the complex equal to 78,000 divide 250. Now we do divide there. 78,000 divide 250. So there is 3 digit. If we take 3 digits there, then there is 780. 780 if 125 3 times maybe 250 3 are 0 15 5 1 in my hand and 6 7 yes 3 times then 750 there remain 0 3 30. Now take down 0. Take down 0, then it is 300. 300, 125 1 times go, then it is 250, remain 0, 5. Now we take down this 0 here, then it is 500. 250, 2 jar 500. 250, 2 jar 500. So answer is what? 312. 312. So 312 flats are there in the complex. Next question. Question number 8. Sorry, 9b. In a sum, the quotient equal to 282 and divisor equal to 65 and the remainder equal to 32. Find the dividend. 9b. We know the formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor equal to 65 into quotient equal to 282 plus remainder 32. First, we multiply these two. 282 into 65. 5 2 jar 10, 0, 1 in my hand. 5 8 jar 41, 41, 1 4 in my hand. 5 2 jar 10, 4, 14. Into 6 2 jar 12, 2, 1 in my hand. 6 8 ja 48, 1 49, 9, 4 in my hand, 6 2 ja 12, plus 4 16. Now plus 0, 3, 13, 3, 1 in my hand, 7, 1, 8 and 1. Now we do plus what? 32. Remainder plus plus 2, 6, 3, 8, 1. So dividend equal to 18,362. $70. $7D. Simplify. Question number 1. 36 divide 4 into 5. So divide, simplify, we do Bodmas rule. We follow Bodmas rule. B O D M A S. Bodmas. So Bodmas means there. B means bracket. O means off. D means divide. M means multiply. A means addition, and S subtraction. So first we do bracket if there, then second of, third divide, fourth multiply, next addition, then subtraction. So here first we do divide. So we know 36 divide 4 is equal to 9. Into remain 5. So 5 9s are 45. Answer is 45. Next, C. 5 of 27 divide 9. So first bracket, second off. So bracket not there, then second is off, we do first off. Off means into 5 into 27. 27 into 5. 35, 5, 3 in my hand, 10, 3, 13. 135. Divide 9. Divide 9. 9 1s are 9. Remain 4, 5. Now 9 5s are 45. So answer is 15. Next, 3B. 240 divide 15 of 8 into 3. Here first we do off, rest remain same. 15, sorry, this off means into 15 8 jar. 15 8 jar 120 into 3 into 3. Now, sorry, into 3. Yes. Now this 140 divide 120 equal to, we know 2 times go, then 2 into 3 equal to 6. Next, 128 divide 16 of 4 plus 325 into 7 minus 165. So first we do of 128 divide 16 into 4, 16 4 ja 64 plus 325 into 7 into 7 minus 165. Now we do divide. 128 divide by 64. So 64 2 jar 128 into plus 325 into 7 minus 165. Now we do multiply. Now 2 plus 325 into 7. 7 5 jar 35, 5 3 in my hand, 7 2 jar 14, 3 17, 7 1 in my hand, 7 3 jar 21, 1 22. 2275 minus 165. Now plus 2, then it is 2277 minus 165. Now we do minus 2277 minus 165. Now 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 1, 1, 2. So answer is 2, 1, 1, 2. That means 2112. Student, today up to this, is there any doubt? Write in comment box. I shall reply. Thank you.